Hey everyone, I'm Joe and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Nagios Log Server 2024 R2 using Hyper-V and VHD files. Installing Nagios Log Server 2024 R2 on Hyper-V is important because it allows organizations to deploy a powerful log management solution efficiently within a virtualized environment. Hyper-V provides flexibility, scalability, and resource control, enabling easy growth as log data increases. By using Hyper-V, businesses can optimize hardware usage while ensuring centralized log monitoring and enhanced security visibility. Let's dive right into today's video. The first step is to head to Nagios.com in order to download the VHD file. When on Nagios.com, we can head towards the top of the page, hover over Products, and then click on Nagios Log Server. From here, we want to click on Start Your Free Trial. We can scroll down, choose Microsoft, and then download the Hyper-V VHD 64-bit file. After you have the VHD file downloaded, we can head right over into Hyper-V. When in Hyper-V, we want to click on Action, click on New, and then click on Virtual Machine. The first step is name your virtual machine. I'm going to be naming mine Test NLS R2. If you want to store your virtual machine in a different location, you can click on this checkbox, and then you can choose your location by clicking the Browse and or typing in the file path in this bar right here. For demo purposes, I'm going to leave mine in the default location it gives me. After this page is configured, we can click Next. The generation we're going to want to choose is Generation 1. This is default, so I'm going to click Next. In Nagios Log Server 2024 R2, the minimum amount required memory that you need is 8 GB of RAM, otherwise known as 8192 megabytes. After this is configured, we can click Next. For the connection page, we're going to want to choose Default Switch, and then we can head down and click Next again. Here's where we're going to import the VHD file. We're going to choose Use an existing virtual hard disk. We're going to browse. I have mine in my downloads. I'm going to click on it, click on Open, and then we can click Next. Here we have a summary of all the settings we just configured. If this looks fully correct to you, we can click Finish. The machine you just configured will pop up under the Virtual Machines category. We can double click on it, and then we have another window that opens up. We can click Start, and then I'm going to maximize this window just so we can see more of it. The first step we want to take on here is log in as the default root and password. The login is root for the username, and then the password is Nagios LS. The way you're able to find this is under the banner where it says default root and then password Nagios LS. After you're logged in, we can grab that URL with the IP address and then head to that website. After you input the URL into your favorite browser, we can do the final installation steps in order to install Nagios Log Server 2024 R2. We can click Install, and then here we have two different types of settings. The first one we have is the license setup. If you have a license, you can enter the license key down here by choosing I already have a key. If you want a free 30-day trial, you can keep this button clicked. Beneath this, we have our admin account setup. The default username is Nagios Admin. The default full name is Nagios Administrator. We're going to want to enter a password, confirm that password, and then enter an email as well. For demo purposes, I will be doing a short password that is easy to remember, but we recommend doing a highly secure password. After this page looks configured to you, we can click Finish Installation. The last steps we need to take is to purely log in with those credentials that you just filled out. Nagios admin, and then my simple password. And we are now logged in to Nagios Log Server 2024 R2. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to get Nagios Log Server 2024 R2 installed on Hyper-V. If you need any more support and or additional assistance, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos and or tutorials you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and happy monitoring.